Hello, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use AutoCAD to draw and modify 2D objects. Firstly, I'm going to explain what 2D objects are and where they are used. 2D objects include horizontal lines, vertical lines, slanting lines, rectangles, squares, arcs, polygons, circles, and other objects that can be described with two dimensions. That is, length and width, or length and or height and width. Sorry. Two D objects are what are actually put together to create professional drawings, like architectural drawings, structural drawings, electrical drawings, and other professional drawings. What you're seeing on the screen right now is an architectural drawing, and I'm going to zoom into the floor plan for us to see it in details, to be able to see how 2D objects are used in it. So I'll just click on my zoom window and I box up the ground floor plan. Yep, that's a ground floor plan. You can see here, these are the walls. These are the walls. The walls are made of lines, and lines of course are 2D objects. The dimensions too are made of lines, and then the figures, these are 2D objects too. This is a staircase. The staircase is made of lines. You can see lines, and lines are 2D objects. The room labels are text. Text also are 2D objects. Yeah, that's the ground floor plan. Alright, I'll just go back to my zoom preview so we can see other drawings in the architectural working drawings. I'll go back here. Let's look at the section, the sectional elevation. So I'll pick up my zoom window again and I'll box it up to show the details. Yeah, this is the section, and here are the roofs, the roof members drawn with lines, which are 2D objects. The walls again drawn with lines, which are 2D objects. Then the room labels, everything here are all 2D objects. I go back to my zoom window, I go back to my zoom previous rather, and then we'll take a look at what can we take a look at here. Alright, the site plan. To take a look at a close look at the site plan, I click on my zoom window and I box it up to show my site plan in details. Yeah, this is the site plan, all made up of lines as well. This is the fence, one of the fence there, another fence, all made up of lines. And then this section represents, this area represents the proposed building position, and inside it contains lines. In this case, the lines here are called the hashing. The hashing. This is the road bounded by two lines, which are 2D objects as well. Okay, we go back to our zoom previous, and then I'd like us to move the architectural drawings away and have a look at structural drawings. So I'll just pan to move the architectural drawings away. Yep, so I can have a view of the structural drawings I have on this same screen. Yeah, these are structural drawings. Let me zoom the sheet containing the columns. Yep, here we go. I could even zoom a little bit further to make it bigger so we could see the two objects make up this column drawings more clearly. Yep. So these are column drawings, all made up of lines. These are lines, and of course figures, all representing columns, and this here is a column footing made up of lines and text and numbers. And here too, these are columns. There's a column footing, and then this is the roof molding, molded parapet wall, also made up of lines. Okay, we go to our zoom previous so we could move on to another section of structural drawings. Let's take a look at this one, which contains the first floor slab. The first floor slab, all made up of lines. Let's zoom a little bit closer. Zoom a little bit closer so we could see the lines. Here the lines are thicker and of various colors, but they are still 2D objects. All the thick lines you're seeing here, they're 2D objects. Lines could be thick, they could be thin, but the fact is they are still 2D objects. We move quickly away from that, go to our zoom preview, so we could move on to the electrical drawings, which are also made up of 2D objects. Okay, we have our electrical drawings. Let's quickly box it up and enlarge it. Yeah, electrical drawings. What do we have here? Walls made up of lines, of course the staircase, the symbols made up of lines, the wires connecting fittings, they're all lines and arcs, and it's either slanting lines or vertical lines or horizontal lines, and then of course the text. So this is just an introduction to what 2D objects are and where they are used. Thank you.